this video, I'll talk about the most easiest way to remember biomedical waste. The mnemonic might sound a little silly, but it will surely help you. So you must remember there's a person named as Ham. All right, he wastes medicines, then he wastes SP. And suppose there's a drug called SP. All right, and waste liquid, ash, and chemicals. All right. Okay. So there's a person named Ham who wastes medicines, SP, name of a drug, suppose, and then liquid ash as well as he wastes the chemicals. All right. I hope this is easier to understand. All right. Now let's talk about it. H is standing for human anatomical waste. Basically, human tissues, organs, body parts. Now by A, we have animal waste, extracted tooth for an example. Now by M we have microbiological waste. In this and biotechnology, microbiology and biotechnology waste. In this lab, the apparatuses used in labs, the cell culture, stock, all right. Then waste. By waste we have waste sharps. Basically needles, syringes, scalpels, blades, glass. Now, by medicines, we have discarded medicines, and cytotoxic drugs. Basically, outdated, contaminated, and discarded medicines. Now, I told you to remember the name of a drug as SP. All right. So, first, just remember by S we have solid waste. Again, we have solid waste. Now, our drug is called as SP. So, first one is going to be soiled, and the second one is going to be P, plastic. All right. Now, in solid waste soil, there are items which are contaminated with blood, body fluid, like cotton dressing and linen. Then in solid waste plastic, there is disposable items which are other than the waste sharps, such as I'll just write it, disposable items other than waste sharps, basically catheters, vials, tubings, IV sets. All right. Then we had liquid ash chemical, as the name itself. Liquid waste, ash, incinerator ash. Then by chemical, we have chemical waste, like disinfectants. Now, this is basically ash from the incinerator, and all right. Now, I will tell you the color of the bags that is important to remember for Viva and for theory as well, in which these wastes are discarded. So, first of all, just remember if it is a waste that is coming from someone living, so it is going to be yellow. All right. So, this is yellow. All right. Now, as you know, this is microbiological waste. So somehow it is coming from humans only. Somehow. So we will remember yellow to eye guy, and we will remember red also. All right. Now in waste sharps, very important to remember blue or white. Just remember the color of medicine personals, or the color that the medical people wear is usually blue and white. So they are the people who are generating these waste. So it is basically coming from waste sharps. So it is blue and white. All right. Now discarded medicines. Now suppose there is a discarded medicine. So it is a big no that you do not have to consume it. So it is going to be black. All right. Do not consume it. So that's why it's black. All right. Just remember this way. I know it sounds silly, but it is going to help you. Now solid waste soil. Now it is soil that it has blood. So blood is coming from humans again. So yellow. This is not a thing, but this is just my logic of remembering it. All right. So yellow and red. All right, blood, say red, you can remember. Now, solid waste plastic. Again, these all are generated from the medical personnel. So just remember the color of medical personnel's clothes: blue, white. All right, and last May, all these which are left. Obviously, you do not want them. Also, you do not want this discarded medicine and cytotoxic drug. They're of no use. So everything that's of no use before and after also. So it is going to be black. All right. So I hope I made it easier for you to understand. Just remember the mnemonic as ham, waste, medicine. HAM, waste, medicines, SP, liquid, ash, and chemicals. Alright, I hope I made it easier for you to understand. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful to you. Thank you.